What up, sweet gang? It's your girl Rochelle in the building, coming to bring you another great video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some chocolate covered strawberries for Father's Day. And here I have my supplies, my scraper, rolling pin. I have some Merkin's light blue candy melts. And my strawberries are already washed. And I also have some toothpicks and some cherries. Also, in the next clip, I have some Paramount Crystals for my chocolate, just to make smooth, and some nice designer sprinkles. All right. These are edible sprinkles, so don't you worry. I will leave the link in the description box below. I have some Chefmasters candy color and some CMC powder for our fondant. And I have some white fondant to design our Father's Day piece with this nice embossed Happy Father's Day stamp here, and which is my favorite. So we're gonna get started with making our Happy Father's Day stamp. So what I'm doing is applying some CMC powder to the fondant, just small amounts until your fondant get nice and thick. Okay. This particular design I need for my piece to be firm, so I'm using some satinized fondant, and I'm also using the powder to get nice thick for me to make my stamp impression. So now I'm going to take a small piece and just roll it up and then apply it to my surface, and I want to flatten it out. You guys, you want to just flatten it out a little bit, roll it back and forth, and just make it a little thick, not too thick where it look bulky, but a nice thick size. And then you want to take your stamp and just firmly press, not all the way down, but just good enough to get that impression into the fondant. Now you're going to take this small cutter and you want to make sure you line it up so that you can cut out this piece so it can be right in the shape of this Happy Father's Day design. Now I'm going to take my scraper and you can just pick it up, but you want to take these pieces, you can make them a day in advance, 2 days in advance, sometimes a week in advance, depending on the design, and just set them to the side. So here we're going to get our toothpick set up and our strawberries. So you just want to take your toothpick and insert at the top real firmly. If you need two, then use two. And then we're going to add our Paramount Crystals to our chocolate. And this will help smooth out my chocolate. It just thins it out. And I do it in 30-second intervals. And for information on how to melt chocolate, I will leave that link in the description box below. But I do it in small intervals of 30 seconds. This took 3 times because I'm using a new cup, you guys. So now I'm going to take my strawberry. You want to pull the leaf back and dip right on in there and get that strawberry coated so that you can have your nice blue strawberry. So what I'm doing here is scraping the bottom and then placing it onto my parchment paper. All right. Now you want to have some extra parchment paper for these particular design for strawberries, just to have a better cleanup. All right. So I'm just dipping the other strawberry here. So this particular design, I'm doing 3 different shades of blue. And with this particular blue, I'm going to add some sprinkles. Instead of sprinkling these particular sprinkles over my strawberries, I'm placing them where I want them for this particular design. There's no right or wrong way to place them, just long as your chocolate is still wet enough for them to be applied so they can stay in position to solidify with the chocolate. Now I'm going to add some nice edible dust here. This is a diamond dust, and it's by the Sugar Art. And now I chose to use some different colored chocolate. This is also a Merkins chocolate, and this is a navy blue. And I'm just choosing to change up my colors for this particular box, and you will see the box at the end. So this is a darker blue, and now I'm going to take the Chefmasters Candy Color Blue and just tone down the color here. Same chocolate that I used for the first berries, and just going to add a nice amount in there, and just make sure you mix it well. And I'm going to get like a lighter blue for these strawberries that I'm going to dip next. So you make sure that's mixed in there and there's no streaks, and then you'll be ready to dip your strawberries. Now you see that nice light blue tone? That's just a different shade from the first set of strawberries, which I do love this color, and it goes well with my gift box that you're going to see at the end of this video. And if you are new to my channel, you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to let you know your girl Ro is on to give you life. So here I have my my cherries. These are some small cherries that you can find at your local convenience store, grocery store, and I chose to add some little cherries into this gift box, and you dip them just as if you were dipping strawberries. Okay, so what you see, I am dipping them and sitting them upright, so they can form a shape and not just lay them down on their back. So I got me a drizzle bag of the darker blue, and I'm going to drizzle this dark blue over the light blue. And it comes out really nice, and it's just a nice design to go with this gift box that you will see at the end of the video. Now I'm going to take my stamps, my Happy Father's Day pieces here, and I'm going to add some drizzle right over these strawberries. Okay, when applying these fondant pieces to any chocolate or your strawberries, you want to make sure you add a little bit of chocolate to your piece, because it goes well as a glue. You know, it substitutes the edible glue, so I like to use chocolate to help secure my pieces for different treats design. So here you have the nice design look for this Father's Day gift box, and the different shades of blue along with a nice simple design. And now here we have our gift box. This is a nice gift box that I have here that I'm going to put my strawberries in with some cupcake liners and some shredded gift paper. And what I'm going to do is start packaging this particular box. Now you won't believe where this box came from. Yes, I'm going to tell you where it came from, and I will leave a link in the description box below. It came from the dollar store. If you have a Dollar Tree, or you can go online and order these particular boxes, they are great for packaging and great for Father's Day. So this is like a Fisher's gift box, and you can put any type of treat in here that will fit. So I chose to do strawberries and cherries. So you see I'm putting in my strawberry pieces and just putting my strawberries and different spots just to design it up. And I'm using just 2 of the cherries. And here I have my gift box. Isn't that neat? Now, if you think this is a great and a neat idea, leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys. I love this box set, and I do have more for you to show, so stay tuned. There you have it, you guys. This box you can also leave in your refrigerator, okay? No worries, but this is a great set. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, you guys? So you already know it's your girl Ro about to go. And I will see you all in the next video.